Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the 8-piece flip socket set from Lyle Corporation, which includes a double-ended flip sockets with 2 hex sizes in each socket. The kit is designed for the removal of standard and damaged distorted lug nuts. Next is the 10,000-pound capacity short rise 2-post lift from Benpack, which offers a solution for shops that want the productivity of a 2-post lift without the unnecessary height and footprint of traditional full rise models. Our third tool is Milwaukee Tools FreeFlex Lightweight Insulated Vest, which features shoulder and side mobility panels for increased range of motion and a drop tail for extra coverage. The next tool is a 10-ton collision repair set from OTC. This tool set is equipped with a single-speed hydraulic hand pump that features an automatic overload system to prevent equipment damage, a ram with a 6-inch stroke, and a half-ton hydraulic spreader tool with 2-inch jaws that spread from 5/8 of an inch to 3/3/8 of an inch. Finally, our last tool is a 2-piece patented locking pliers from Vim Tools, which are made of chrome moly steel and feature bidirectional jaws. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.